Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool like curtain opening effect on CapCut PC. So select any video that you want. I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to insert like a PNG of a curtain. Curtain. I don't know how to say this properly. Anyways, let me just flip this. So I'm just going to place it like here and then add in a keyframe here and then like right about in the middle or to the like very like end, select the curtain and place it to the very right, making sure it's still the same height. And that's pretty much it, really. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.